To suspend the three students. It happened last year at school in Quezon City. The DepEd, their co-students, and the human rights group, and the parents condemned the principal and the faculty members of the school because they suspended the three students. Because the three students have the right to express themselves and emotions without affecting the dignity of others. And this is your question. What can you say?
About that issue. The student they express their feeling, yeah, because they are fight with their rights, right? And principal also he used her power, but I think need dialogue both sides, from principal and from the three students and parents of the students. Open communication. Because we don't know really what happened for the three students.
Our next question is it lawful that the principal suspend the students because of fear?
Pardon?
Is it lawful that the principal suspended the students because of their blood?
I'm not sure it's lawful because I don't know what is the reason. Why he suspended these students. That's why I tell it really needs open communication for the principal and between the three students and parents. Because I am not sure because we don't know what really reason behind it.
Being a sister, how can you help them to solve their problem?
And then you must listen. I should talk with the three students and to the principal what her suggestion, her opinion, why her action immediately she tell that suspend, yeah, they're not allowed to study, right?
And this is our last question. Is the church important to solve for the solution about the issue? Is the church important for the solution to this issue?
If school, if the institution, they cannot handle anymore, I think they must also ask advice from the church. You're welcome. That's all, finish?